Let us turn this mobile captured colorful image into a black and white image with color splash. Let's start. First we will apply little bit of contrast using curves. For this we will go to curves and select soft contrast. Next we will apply the black and white filter to the image. Here from the color options we want to choose a color that will give a more contrasty image look. Now since we want to make the color splash of yellow color, and since the yellow color is opposite of blue color, we will choose blue color for the color options. Now we will use masking to do the color splash on this black and white image. To give a more dramatic look to the image, let us apply masking around the door also. Let us quickly see all the changes that we did to the image. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below. Also, like and share this video. You can also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the regular updates about my next videos. Thank you.